will start? Should I?
Yeah, sure. I will start.
You will start.
Okay.
Sawa.
So I take this one.
I think you should use this one. They gave us 3 seasons. And I think it's hot. So that's water cocktails. Iko sawa. Asante.
So octopus. So should I eat the whole of it or?
Half or whole of it? Yeah. You are not rich to octopus, I think. Ah, you rich to octopus.
Hey! Unaifeel aje?
Niko tamu.
Are you sure?
It tastes like chicken.
Are you sure? It doesn't taste like
It
chicken.
tastes like chicken.
Ume Marisa. Octopus. Another one?
No. Next.
Atajaribu.
Acha nijaribu nione.
Kweli. Leo sinaweza kuota kwa mdomo.
Acha nijaribu nione.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
It's hot.
It's not that much water.
Okay.
This one.
Yes, that one. You didn't want to see. Continue.
For me to eat, acha ni like
I
nikula
put-
yote ikiwa ndani.
Yeah. It is the whole of it.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Kula kama unakula maipasua. Yeah. Hivyo.
Hivyo.
Thank you. Iko aje?
Iko aje? Are you sure? Uko sure?
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Sawa.
Si ndio? Haina strange feeling, si ndio? It doesn't have the strange feeling that I was expecting. Yeah, sure.
Sawa.
Octopus is sweet.
Like okay, niseme nyama ya octopus iko ile soft kama ya pork.
Kumbe pork ina taste hivi?
Like okay, ni soft kama hivi.
Takoyaki, 久しぶり。いただきます。
How is taco? Takoyaki. She's used to takoyaki. Maybe. Take another one. And we have a boat here. We were given a boat. It comes sailing. The whole of it.
美味しい。
Oishi.
Yeah.
Oishi so. It's Lewis. My Haruna here.
I ate takoyaki after 7 months, 8 months.
8 months.
A year. You can follow it. You can.
It's taco.
Amejaribu taco.
Taco is sweet. This one.
よし、いただきます。おいしい。
Ocean.
おいしい。And these fish.
Fish.
Yes,
Eat our fish.
fish flake. This one.
Fish wood.
The grand fish.
Sea. From sea.
Oh, it's a type of fish.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We dry it and we slice. Like this.
Fantastic. We are 100 years behind.
Japan is 100 years ahead. You are not behind. We are just ahead.
For us, we are behind.
Sawa. Sawa, sawa.
Lewin, waje mahali penye anaweza jaribu matumbo kama mtura.
Hajakula matumbo mtura.
Nataka ile matumbo mzuri kama fry pengine.
Sasa unajua huku unaona mali nilikwambia mali flyover ilikuwa ni ndio. Maybe there.
Kwa sana. Yeah? Like ni ile tumekuja tu kutulia hapa. Like hatujauziwa, hatujabai anything. Tumejibai tu pale Octopus. Tumekuja tu kujaribia hapa. Alafu tunarudi.
Anaelewa Kiswahili?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Anaelewa Kiswahili.
Sisi tuko hapa hivi. Tunaweza kuja mishikaki na kuku na hapo. Si ndio tuko hapa?
Sawa. Wacha tumalize alafu.
Problem.
Sawa. Asante sana. Taco. Lewin, how was taco?
Nimekwambia.
Did you feel strange?
Sija feel strange.
Wakikuletea ngine unakula?
Nikizoea, nikiadapt.
You can eat more and more. I've eaten sushi. I've eaten taco.
Have you eaten sushi?
Not sushi, seaweed.
Seaweed.
I've eaten seaweed.
Yeah.
What is remaining? Sushi.
Sushi.
No fish.
And
Lewin, does it sushi?
octopus. Low octopus.
The one that is moving.
Not necessarily moving. We eat raw octopus, raw squid.
No.
Ah, bone!
They carry
You didn't carry the charger.
because. Can I eat?
Sure.